It is called Namazwad. BJP MP Sudhanshu Trivedi slams India bloc over Waqf bill protest. We are referring to Rashtriya Janata Dal leader Tejasvi Yadav's recent statement on the Waqf Amendment Act. BJP MP Sudhanshu Trivedi on Monday hit out at the India Alliance. The BJP MP mentioned that parties including RJD and SP who are wearing the garb of socialism are not fighting for the rights of oppressed Muslim. He mentioned that if the socialism of these parties may be called Namazwad, then it will not be an exaggeration. These parties like RJD, Samajwadi Party, etc., who are wearing the garb of socialism are not standing up for the rights of the poor and oppressed Muslims. Therefore, the socialism of RJD and SP cannot be called socialism at all. If it is called Namazwad, then it will not be an exaggeration. BJP and the India Alliance are determined that if anyone wants to throw Baba Sahib Ambedkar's constitution, any of its provisions into the dustbin, we will not let that happen, Sudhanshu Trivedi said while addressing a press conference on Monday. Sudhanshu Trivedi stated that it is very sad that at a place where lakhs of pupils had gathered without caring about their lives to save constitution, in the same place a rally was held where Tejasvi Yadav said that he would throw the law passed by the parliament in the dustbin. Recently, 50 years of the emergency, the most dreadful chapter in the democratic history of India, were completed. But it is very sad that yesterday in the same Gandhi Maidan in Patna, where during the emergency lakhs of people had gathered without caring for their lives to protect the constitution, a rally was held in which Tejasvi Yadav said that we will throw the law passed by the parliament in the dustbin. Sudhanshu Trivedi said. RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav joined the Waqf Amendment Act protests in Patna on Sunday. The Waqf Amendment Act was passed in both houses of the parliament on April 3 and 4 and became a law after receiving assent from the president on April 5.